Hi, we are going to learn about LCM. LCM. L means least. C means common. And M means multiple. Least common multiple. What is multiple? All of you know two table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like this. In two table which we are getting, when we multiply 2 with the natural numbers, the products formed are called multiples of 2. For 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, okay, 18, 21, these are called multiples of 3. In the similar way, you can write 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. You write multiples. That is your homework. Okay. Now, the next one. What are common multiples? Before that, common multiples. I'll take one example. For 2 and 3, we will take simple example first. 2 and 3. What are the multiples of 2? Just now we wrote 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 18. Very good. Then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, okay, 18, 21, okay na? Now, common multiples, see here 6, 6, and 12, 12, and 18, 18. This all you learned. Suppose you are 7th class, this already you learned in 6th class. Now you are in 6th class, no problem, you can learn now. Now you are in 8th class, but already you forgot LCM. Now you learn because LCM is very, very important. So write common multiples. Common multiples. Common multiples. This selfie video, okay, no problem. My intention is to reach you. Right? 6, 12, 18. Common multiples. So many multiples will be there. But in all this is least common multiple. Least common multiple is how much? 6. Once again I am telling you, because you are all in learning stage, you should learn all the basics. LCM, least common multiple. Multiple means you take any number, multiply it with the natural number. The products formed are called multiples. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Like that, for 4 table, 5 table also, you can write multiples. Now, I am explaining you the common multiple. First I took 2 and 3. Again I wrote 2 multiples. I wrote 3 multiples. Then common multiples. And in the common multiples, the least common multiple is how much here? 6. Okay. Now, this is known as writing multiples method. But for bigger numbers, take 18, 26, 72 like that. For bigger numbers, it is difficult. So, we learn one more method, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What is prime factorization? First of all, already you learned prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are all prime numbers. So, for example, I am taking numbers 18 and 24. For 18 and 24, I am trying to find this LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, 18. First I will do prime factorization. 2 ones are, 2 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. We will start. Already you are in 7th class, you well known with this method. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. And 24. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now LCM. In this 2 is coming, in this also 2 is coming. But 2 in which it is coming more times in the second one. So 2 cube. Are you right? If you don't know the cube, 2 into 2 into 2. Try to understand. Here 2 is coming. Here also 2 is coming. But in which one 2 is coming more number of times in this? Next, 3 is coming here and here. But in which it is coming more number of times? The first one. That one you take. So 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. So this is prime factorization method. The prime number, even though it is common or not, suppose if you get like this 7 and 15, you have to do prime factorization. 7 ones are 7, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay, 7 is only alone 7, 15, 3 into 5. Now you have to write LCM. You might be thinking there is no common. No need of common here. So 3 it is coming. Here it is not coming. But here we can write it as 3 power 0. So 1 and 0 means 1 is highest. 5 is not coming here. You can write 5 power 0. So 5 power 1. 7 is not coming here. So 7 power 0 into 7. So 3 into 5. 3 7 is 21. 5 is 105 is the LCM. This is known as prime factorization method. That is known as what? Prime factorization method. Okay. Now after learning about the prime factorization method, division method. Division method. What is division method? We take all the numbers at a time. 18 and 24. Put like this. Here also you have to use prime numbers only. Take the first prime number 2. 2 nines are, 2 12s are. Again 12 can be divided with 2. 2 6 are, 9 will be written like that only. In the same way 2 3s are 9. Okay. Now these two numbers cannot be divided with 2. Okay. 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 what? 1 1. Now multiply all this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 8 9 how much? 72. So we learned 3 methods. One is writing multiples method. Second one is prime factorization method. Third one is division method. So all of you, to understand LCM, again and again watch the same video and try to solve some problems from textbook, 6th class textbook. and in 7th class textbook. In 6th class you have LCM and GCD. This class intention is just to teach you LCM. Repeatedly I am telling you the same thing because you have to learn LCM, least common multiple. We learned today 3 methods. The first method, writing multiples method. The second method, prime factorization method. The third method, division method. Thank you for watching MC Maths Class YouTube channel.